Most people think food is just calories. Eat more calories, gain weight. Eat fewer calories, lose weight. Simple. But your body doesn't actually see food that way. To your body, food is far more than fuel. It is construction material, repair equipment, chemical messengers, and sometimes emergency backup energy. A single meal can be broken down into thousands of tiny molecules. Those molecules travel through your bloodstream, enter trillions of cells, and help keep one of the most complex biological systems in existence running, your body. Right now, as you are watching this video, billions of microscopic processes are happening inside you. Cells are producing energy, proteins are being built, old tissue is being repaired, and all of it depends on something surprisingly simple: food. In this video, we're going to explore how your body actually uses food to keep you alive, how it turns meals into energy, how nutrients rebuild and repair your body, and how different molecules from food quietly control many of the processes happening inside you every second. Because once you understand what food really does inside the body, every meal starts to look a little different. And if you enjoy learning about how the human body works in simple and fascinating ways like this, consider subscribing to the channel. We explore science, biology, and human health in ways that are easy to understand, and the human body still has many surprising things left to discover. The first job of food is to provide energy. Your heart beats about 100,000 times every day. Your brain sends billions of electrical signals. Your lungs keep breathing even while you sleep. All of this requires energy. Much of that energy begins with carbohydrates. Foods like rice, bread, fruit, and potatoes contain complex carbohydrates that your digestive system gradually breaks down. Eventually, many of these molecules become a simple sugar called glucose. Glucose enters your bloodstream and travels throughout the body. Cells absorb it and send it into tiny structures called mitochondria. Mitochondria are often described as the power plants of the cell. Inside them, glucose is converted through chemical reactions into a molecule called ATP. ATP is essentially the energy currency of the body. Every time a muscle contracts, a neuron fires, or a cell repairs itself, ATP is being used. Without this constant energy supply, your cells would quickly stop functioning. Even when you are sitting still, your body is burning energy to keep your internal systems running. Your brain alone uses around 20% of your body's energy, which is remarkable considering it makes up only a small fraction of your total body weight. So much of the invisible activity keeping you alive begins with something as simple as the carbohydrates in your food. Protein, the body's construction crew. But energy is only part of the story. Your body is also constantly rebuilding itself. Cells wear out, tissues get damaged, muscle fibers break and repair. To handle this constant maintenance, the body needs building materials. That is where protein comes in. Proteins are large molecules made from smaller units called amino acids. You can think of amino acids as biological building blocks. When you eat protein-rich foods like eggs, fish, meat, beans, or nuts, your digestive system breaks those proteins down into individual amino acids. These amino acids enter the bloodstream and travel throughout the body. Cells then use them to build new proteins. And proteins perform an enormous number of jobs. They help build and repair muscles. They create enzymes that control chemical reactions. They form hormones that regulate body systems. And they produce antibodies that help defend against infections. Every day, your body breaks down old proteins and replaces them with new ones, which means your body is constantly repairing and rebuilding itself. If you get a cut on your skin, proteins help repair the damaged tissue. If you exercise and stress your muscles, proteins help rebuild those fibers stronger. Without enough protein, these repair systems begin to struggle. Muscles weaken, healing slows down, and the immune system becomes less effective. So while carbohydrates provide the fuel your body runs on, proteins provide much of the material it uses to maintain itself. Fat, the misunderstood nutrient. For many years, fat has had a bad reputation, but inside your body, fat plays several important roles. Every single cell in your body is surrounded by a thin membrane, and that membrane is made largely from fat molecules. These fatty structures help protect the cell and control what enters and leaves it. Fat also acts as a form of stored energy. When the body has more energy than it immediately needs, some of it is stored as fat. Later, when food is not available, the body can break down these fat reserves and convert them back into usable energy. Fat also helps your body absorb certain vitamins. Vitamins A, D, E, and K are fat-soluble, which means they need dietary fat in order to be absorbed properly. Without enough fat in the diet, your body would struggle to use these important nutrients. Even the brain depends heavily on fat. In fact, a large portion of the human brain is made from fatty structures that help neurons communicate with each other. So while excess fat can create health problems, fat itself is not the enemy. In the right amounts, it is an essential part of how the body functions. Vitamins, tiny controllers of big reactions. While carbohydrates, proteins, and fats provide energy and building materials, vitamins play a different role. Vitamins act more like microscopic regulators. They help control the countless chemical reactions that keep the body alive. These reactions happen inside every cell every second. Vitamin C helps support the immune system and plays an important role in producing collagen, a protein that strengthens skin, blood vessels, and connective tissue. Vitamin D helps the body absorb calcium and maintain healthy bones. B vitamins help convert nutrients from food into usable energy. Each vitamin has its own specific function, and even though they are needed only in small amounts, their impact is enormous. Without them, many of the body's essential reactions would slow down or stop completely, which is why a balanced diet containing fruits, vegetables, and other nutrient-rich foods is so important. Minerals, the hidden support system. Minerals are simple elements that your body cannot produce on its own. They must come from the foods you eat. Yet these tiny substances play powerful roles throughout the body. Calcium helps build and maintain strong bones and teeth. Iron allows red blood cells to carry oxygen from your lungs to the rest of your body. Magnesium supports hundreds of chemical reactions inside your cells. Potassium helps regulate nerve signals and muscle contractions. Even your heartbeat depends on the precise balance of certain minerals. When mineral levels fall too low, the body quickly begins to notice. Fatigue, weakness, muscle cramps, and other problems can appear, which is why minerals, though often overlooked, are an essential part of keeping the body stable and functioning properly. Water, the body's transport system. Alongside nutrients, one of the most important substances in the human body is water. About 60% of your body is made of it. Water acts as the body's internal transportation system. It carries nutrients through the bloodstream to cells. It helps remove waste products from tissues, and it plays a crucial role in regulating body temperature. When you sweat, water evaporates from the skin, helping cool the body. Water also helps lubricate joints and maintain the proper environment for many chemical reactions inside cells. Even mild dehydration can affect how you feel and function. Headaches, fatigue, and reduced concentration are often early signs that the body needs more fluids, which shows just how essential water is for keeping the body running smoothly. Fiber, supporting the digestive system. Not everything we eat is meant to be fully digested. Fiber is a type of carbohydrate that the human body cannot break down completely, yet it plays an important role in digestion. Fiber helps move food through the digestive system. It supports regular bowel movements and prevents digestive slowdowns. But fiber also has another important function. It feeds the beneficial bacteria living in the gut. These bacteria help break down certain nutrients, produce helpful compounds, and support overall digestive health. In many ways, fiber helps maintain the balance of the entire digestive environment. Without enough fiber, digestion often becomes slower and less efficient. When we think about food, it is easy to see it simply as something that satisfies hunger. But inside the body, food becomes much more than that. It becomes energy that powers your cells. It becomes building blocks that repair and rebuild your tissues. It becomes signals that regulate thousands of biological processes. Every heartbeat, every breath, every thought depends on these systems working together. And those systems depend on the nutrients you provide through food. Your body is constantly maintaining itself, replacing old cells, repairing damage, producing energy, and all of it is made possible by the nutrients that enter your body each time you eat. If you enjoyed learning about how the body uses food to stay alive, consider subscribing to the channel. There are still many fascinating systems inside the human body that most people never realize are happening every day. And if you'd like to explore more topics like this, feel free to leave a comment below.